First visit our website and click the icon and go to register account. Type your email here and click the button for send the OTP in your email. When you will get the OTP, type here and then set the password. Like you can set any kind of password. First box password and second box is same password. No need any invitation code. Just create to register account. Then this is your admin panel or user panel. So you can go to the buy section for the buying a package. So click the icon and choose your package. Like here is a lot of packages you can see. We can choose the 5 package for 300 GB 1 month 500 Mbps. So we proceed to the payment section. So we click again for payment. So here is the Alipay QR code. You need to scan via the Alipay app. You need to go to your mobile and open the Alipay app and turn on the scan, and you need to scan this QR and pay for it. It's done. So let's go to the account settings option. So here you will get the subscription link. You can see there is our subscription link and QR code. You can use both of them. So let's download our computer software file. So you go to the main dashboard. You can see here there is a download link. You can just download the app like that. After download, it will look like that, and you need to install this app. First click the app, like double click, and then you need to OK. You can choose here from the language like what you want, and then I choose English and then click OK, and then just default next and install. Then it will be installed in your computer that the software. So install done, just click the finish icon. See, it will be automatically open. So we just resize the app, and just you can choose here from the language, and you can just default. We need to just next, and then you can go to the account manager section. This is the account settings. You can copy the subscription link or you can scan the QR code, whatever you want, and then click that icon and then paste the link to the app, and it will be automatically set in your app. So you just click the icon for connecting the VPN. So you can see our VPN is connected. So this is just normally basic settings. You must be careful about that. And we will go to the settings option. We will turn off the advertisement option for block the ads. So you can see, just you need to click and connect the app. You can click here for the looking the server option. You can select whatever you want. And about the update, if there any problem, you can click this icon for update your server. Just click it, it will be automatically updated. You can enjoy yours.